Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is TAV here. So if you have ever wanted to use Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint on your Mac without paying for Microsoft 365, then this video is for you. So don't worry, this is not a crack, not an activator and not any illegal trick. This method is completely official and safe and provided by Microsoft itself. So let's get started. First open your Safari and then go to the page called office.com. You can see this is the page called office.com, or you can simply go to this website called free Microsoft 365 online Word, Excel, PowerPoint. This is what we are actually looking now. Click here. Once you are here, you can do sign in from here. If you haven't created your Microsoft account yet, the process is very simple and it's completely free. You can click here and sign up to create your own account in Microsoft. This is completely free. Now, as I have already, created my Microsoft account, I have to just simply do sign in. I click on sign in here, and then I have to provide my email, password, and then once you have provided the required password, now from here, now you can launch your, different applications by simply hovering over this icon here. You can see the apps and more icon. Click here, and from here you can click on this more apps. Now you can see all the applications that can be launched from here. Like for example, if I want to use Word here, I can simply go and click this Word. It will open the web version of the Word. So these are all Microsoft official web versions, and for everyday tasks like creating documents, spreadsheets, presentation and editing existing file, they work really very well. So, and here is the best part. Instead of opening Safari like we did here and visiting the website every time, you can make these Office apps launch directly from your Mac dock, and just like regular applications. So with Word open like this, what you have to do, simply click on File from the menu, and then you have to select Add to Dock. Click here. Give it a name, like for example, I will give it a name like Microsoft Word, and then click Add. Now you can see my Word application is now docked of the web version. If you want to check, like I'm closing my browser again, and whenever I need to launch my Word, I can simply go to my dock and launch from here, and that's it. You can see a new Word page now opened, and I can simply go and create Word documents from here. If it asks again to do sign in, like you can do a sign in here. It will not ask every time, but when you are launching it for the first time after closing the browser, it may ask you to do so. So make sure you want to be state sign in, so that you don't need to every time go and put your passwords like this. Now I have my Word application open, up and running. So you can repeat the same steps for Excel and PowerPoint as well. Do the stuff that you would like to do, and simply again you can launch your PowerPoint applications as well like this. So once you are here, click on File and then simply Add to Dock. Give it a name like Microsoft PowerPoint, and then add. Now you can see all of the three applications is now added to the dock, and it's very simple to launch and use again. So just keep in mind that these are web versions of Office. So while they include almost everything most users need, some advanced desktop only features requires a Microsoft 365 subscription, but for my daily use, I found it sufficient. Like whatever the features they have provided in the web version is completely fine for me, because I can do editing and creating new documents and doing normal stuff. It's quite easy on this web applications. So if you found this tip helpful, like you don't want to make new subscription added to your account, you can simply keep this dock application, which is actually the web version of this apps. you can use this method. So if you have found this tip helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more useful Mac tips and tech tutorials. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.